In this video, we will explore the display options offered by our analyzers. The list of judgments you see on the lower half of the page is set by default to display the case name and citation only. However, the Display Options menu offers other categories of information you may choose to add to the display. When you click on Display Options, a drop-down menu will offer checkboxes. You can select as many as you like. Let's select Judge, Order, and Penalties and Costs. We can see that the judgment list is now showing the name of the presiding judge, the full text of the order, and a summary of the penalties and costs awarded, including the legislative provisions whose alleged contravention was litigated. You can condense the list once more by returning to the Display Options menu and deselecting one or more options. For example, let's deselect Order. The display options you have chosen will persist after any filtering you apply using our clickable charts and tables. Here I have used the Outcomes chart to filter to those cases that went for the ACCC. Now we see the penalties imposed in cases where a contravention was found, such as director disqualification and where consumer redress was ordered. And this concludes this video on how you can use the display options for a one-stop analysis of a list of cases without having to scan each individual judgment.